Welcome to Mixing with the Geek. To go along with Kiss's album, Rock and Roll Over, we'll be making The Bone. Kiss is a hard rockin' band from New York, so just any cocktail won't do. You really need a shooter to get riled up to match the mood of this album. Since this shooter was invented in their home state, I can't think of a better match. Did I mention it's got a spicy kick? Let's begin. Grab your cocktail shaker and fill with ice cubes. Then add 2 ounces of rye whiskey. Next we add 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. Then add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Finally, 2 dashes of tabasco sauce. Obviously you can add more if you want it more spicy. Now we shake. Now grab your favorite shot glass and strain the contents of the shaker into the glass. Now obviously this is a lot to take down in one shot, so you can technically bring out 2 shot glasses, makes it for 2 servings, or you could double the recipe and have it for 4 for all your friends. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's good. Oh wow, okay, that's good. It's sort of sweet with the lime, and that rye hits you right away, and then boom, at the back of it, you get that spice. Oh my goodness, it is, I'm getting hot right now, man. Getting all, it packs a punch, what can I say? Just like this album. And there you have The Bone. Thank you guys for watching. Check out the Kiss episode if you haven't already, and be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.